without the support of family, as we know, officers of LASA won't be able to do their function as officers. So we appreciate the family, indeed. And after his powerful speech, he decided to unwind by singing Only You. Well, you all know that song, right? And Unchained Melody, to the delight of the 323 guests, 27 from San Diego. Since then, people started calling him the singing president. You can see that on the slideshow. He provided himself not only as an entertainer, but as an administrator and leader. And his first act of office is to summon his energetic and enthusiastic fellow officers to plan for the first fundraising, which ended in the last canvassing of May 1st, 1994, where Mr. and Mrs. Ramon Raduc's daughter and Glenda Rivera's son won the King and Queen and two other pairs as members of the Royal Court, raising $42,812 gross and $22,733 net gross. LASA began the construction of its pet project located on the left side of the auditorium facing south. And on April 16, 1995, the LASA Hall was inaugurated. It is a multi-purpose hall that can serve as a refreshment stockroom on special occasions or a meeting venue for small groups. On hand for the inauguration were President Gigi Lacero and wife, Manalibi, ex-Mayor Zosimo Pascasio, Doming Dancel, Chris and Enriqueta Evangelista, in the absence of Father Raimundo, Sister Quintana Caro, and then Mayor Romeo Monsanita, who cut the ribbon. It was such a solemn ceremony witnessed by hundreds of townspeople who were present coincidentally for the canvassing sponsored by the Samahan ng Kababaihan. Other yearly events featured the customary picnic, which was enjoyed by both young and old alike. You might see some familiar faces here in the slide. They are young ones then. Unfortunately, in one of the picnics, the park rangers caught the LASA guys and guests drinking alcohol. They just had the beers emptied and all the beers were wasted. There was the annual visit of Santa Claus to the delight of the children and a chance for the adults to bond. Camping was also scheduled with guests from San Diego like the Rodolfos, Magays, Colabianos, Peregrinos, Caceres joining in. Jesse Justiniano, who then manager the U.S. commissary in Long Beach, oversaw and purchased a large stock of prime rib, which resulted in everyone having plenty, even taking some home. The next fundraising was held in 1995, which was as successful as the first one with Queen Christine Aglibot Meneses, Queen Lyra Basilio Calwad, and Miss Antolan being crowned. Here, the LASA dance troupe was launched under the chairmanship of Ferdy Canonizado, with the special participation of Bayanihan member Gloria Canonizado. A 30-minute repertoire was displayed gracefully and precisely by the LASA dancers. At this time, we believe there was a sufficient fund for a scholarship project. So it was started with Enriqueta Evangelista as the chairperson, and not only needy high school students were sponsored, but but 3 college students. LASA also launched a newsletter which at that time proved highly effective for disseminating events and happenings. Of course, not to be forgotten is his wife, Libby Pascasio Lucero, who worked side by side with him. 4 years passed, marking the end of the singing president's term, but his commitment to the association continued. He remained as a member of the board of directors and got involved in every LASA activity and project, offering guidance and encouragement to newcomers in the United States and helping them cope with their homesickness. His natural wit and humor made everyone felt relaxed and welcome. People enjoyed his presence. He was the favorite uncle of all the young people. His charisma captivated everyone, both young and old. So at this time, we present, may I ask President Richard Casiano and incoming President Clement Domingo, may we request you to present the award. We proudly present the award to Manang Libby and family for our Manong Gigi Lucero.
Mga apo niya na po yan,
Okay.
ate. Mga apo.
On behalf of the family, children Chris and Jojo, daughter-in-law May Bilimin, grandsons Christian and Kane, Manang Libby wanted to sincerely thank the board of directors and officers and members of the Los Angeles San Antonian for formally recognizing Roger Gigi Lucero as the recipient of the Distinguished Service Award for his vision, leadership, and unwavering commitment, which was instrumental in strengthening LASA's goal into existence. He believed in the mission and worked tirelessly to make it a reality. Thank you so much.
And of course, we're not going to end this without a dance number. We are going to play Uncle Gigi's favorite song. Does anybody know what his favorite song is? Anybody from table 17, does anybody know what Uncle Gigi's favorite song is? Number 12. No. Okay, number 3. Could you guess? All right, whoever guessed Wonderful Tonight? Who did? Auntie, yes, you did. Okay, we're going to play Wonderful Tonight, to be led by Auntie Libby and her son, and then everybody could dance with the tune of Wonderful Tonight. Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan? Bakit?